Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today we'll be playing Wolfie Greymane. Arf. Okay, you see, this is what bad teams look like bad composition of team. Assassin, assassin, Medivh, assassin, 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 Asmodee, and Murky. Okay. Okay. Oh shit, I forgot to hit the record button. So, level 1. You take Viciousness. What this does, it makes your W stand longer. It stays up longer, and you can refresh it with attack damage. Ability damage. Wow, we both just missed our Q. That's embarrassing. Let's see who can be the better Greymane. I know who's gonna be the better Odin. So, abilities. Organ form. What your Q does is it's a thing. You just kind of dash forward and deal a little bit of damage. It's like an extra auto attack of damage, just a little less than an auto attack. Your W for next 4 seconds, you get 50% attack speed, dealing any damage with the talent we picked up. Refreshes the duration. So see this guy here. Yeah, this dude's dead. And now we just roll away. That's our E ability in Worgen form. In human form, what our E ability does is this. You dash at somebody. You like jump at somebody and then do a tiny bit of damage. And it's a really great engage. But in Worgen form, you have a really great disengage. Also, you can just get on your mount to get back into human form. Oh, I smell a Falstad. Isn't Falstad dead? Yeah, I think Falstad's dead. Oh, I'm dead. That's the problem with Greymane 1v1s, is Greymane has insane burst. Because he can auto attack so fast, and he can use his Q, which is like an extra auto attack. In Worgen form, he has a ton of burst, and in human form, he has a ton of poke, and he's really overall like one of the best characters in the game. Heroes. Gul'dan in the mid lane taking half his health off before he can get to the towers. There's that Odin. There's his evasion popped. I'm gonna lose a ton of health to this mini wave. Here, I'm just gonna leave. Level 4, Eyes in the Dark. What this does is it makes it so that your disengage becomes way better. Your disengage in Worgen form, the disengage that I told you about before that you have, it's so much better all of a sudden. Because now it gives you stealth for 4 seconds, which is kind of ridiculous. Pew, pew. Oh, looks like top lane Shrine's gonna be taken. Oh wait, there's an Odin here. I don't want to fight this. Now that we have the Gul'dan, I really want to fight this. Oh, Murky died. Oh. All we need is somebody to go mid. And no one to chase him. What? What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm so glad I got that on video. Throw and Odin, some of the best melee assassins in the game, except for Throw is decidedly better because he just does more damage. But looks like Illidan barely gonna not survive. Oh, looks like we got a Spanish. And there's nothing really wrong with that, but it's annoying when one of your team members doesn't speak English. Oh, body blocking this Falstad. That's 1 stack of Wizened Duelist, which is the talent you pick up at level 7. Why did I go into human mode? What made me into human mode? Why? I just lost my stack. So, level 7, Wizened Duelist. Here, takedowns increase basic attack damage by 3% up to 30. That's 10 stacks you can get. Bonuses lose when you die. All of the attack damage that you built up by killing people goes away once you're dead. That's the drawback to greymane, is he has no sustain, he just has insane burst. No sustain whatsoever, so... I mean, you're not going to be taking him out. Oh my god, they pushed bottom fort already? What the... So he can kill people, but he'll be decidedly low on health when he ends up killing them. Let's see who can outtrade the other here. Come on, Falstad. Wow, that was a mistake on my part. Yes, Gul'dan, get the Dragon Knight. That's a Dragon Knight to push lanes for us. That's the objective of this map if you're new to Heroes, is... Dragon Knights, they happen. The shrines pop up, and then you gotta go for the Dragon Knight. Level 10, best ultimate, go for the throat, by far. It's just so much better than the other one, and wow, I just missed my cue. But here, let's just trade with this tower. Here, I should farm stacks off of Murky. Think I can one-shot Murky? No, I can, like, two-shot Murky with my ult. I deal half his health with it. That's the problem with CC on greymane, is it makes you lose your inner beast, which increases your attack speed by 50%, which is a lot. 50% is a lot, in case you're wondering. It's a very big amount. And it looks like Asmoden pushed down bottom fort already. What's his build? What's he going for? He's going for a laser build. That's awesome. And the minion wave looks like it pushed down our towers. With the last patch, minion waves became twice as effective, so now it's really important that you take them out and let your waves push. Mercenary camps are now better because they stack up minion waves. Also, region globes heal for a ton. Region globes are things as those little wizard guys. They drop region globes.
Well done.
Oh, I got 6 stacks right now, sitting on 6 stacks. So if I die, I'm losing 18% attack damage, which is pretty strong. Now I'm at 8 stacks. Level 13 on the prow. This makes it so that after your inner beast has been active for 3 seconds, you get 30% movement speed in addition to the 50% attack speed. This is really strong because it allows you to chase down targets like there's no tomorrow. If you can't instantly kill them, you can chase them down. Like Asmoden, he has a ton of health, so we're not likely gonna just insta-kill him. But we can chase him down if it's necessary. And this Asmodean doesn't understand how Asmodean works. And Thrall, why would you sunder him that way? And oh my god, they have 2 bruiser camps pushing top lane. We just lost a fort. They're ahead on XP because they've pushed all our forts. Ugh, sigh. Dragon Knight can probably just kill me. Unless he decides to punt me like that. See, my problem with the American server is it's chocked full. It's not really chocked full, but there's a lot of people who don't speak English and speak Spanish instead, and that's annoying. That's never a good thing to have somebody who doesn't speak English on a team full of English people. To have one team member who can't coordinate with you, it's really annoying. Please, damn it. I don't know what Kerrigan thought was funny, but she said lol for some reason. Something must have been funny. Alright, we are at 10 stacks at the 11-minute mark. It doesn't matter how you can stack really quickly. It doesn't matter what time your stacks are at. Like it does with other characters, such as Asmodean, where if at the 11-minute mark, you probably want to have 200 stacks on your queue. The queue is, Asmodean is the weird giant, demon dude that you've been seeing. And what he does is he has a talent at level 1 that you should always take, in my opinion. Where, see this guy right here that we just killed, and he has a talent at level 1 that you should always take, where he level 16 Eager Wolf makes it so that your W does more attack speed after 4 seconds. That he not infinitely stacks damage, but stacks damage up to 500 extra damage every time it kills a minion. And so you can just use your Q on minion waves when they're low health, and you'll get 7 stacks, and you'll deal, oh, I don't know how much. You'll deal 14 extra damage next time. It increases your damage by 2 for every minion killed. Up to 500. Here, let's just take a tower. Let's just take a fort. Let's just take a full fort. Oh, that's great. See, taking an action generally resets your auto attack timer, which generally makes it, since it's an auto attack. See, I'm doing 554 damage at level 18. That's a lot of damage. Does he have Wise and Duelist? Yes, but he has no stacks. Because he just died. That's awesome. I'm 10 stacks up on the greymane. If we try to fight, I'll be doing 30% more auto attack damage, and I'll kill him. They're all Sunder coming out. Odin's just been soloing mercenary camps, and we've been losing forts to him all game. And I'm losing half my health to this minion wave. You need to keep your inner beast up for as long as you can, really, because it has like a 16-second cooldown, which is a long time. 16 seconds is a long time. So you'll be doing less damage, like half. With this build, you'll be doing about half as effective as you could be with your inner beast down. Boop.
Well done.
I'm just gonna leave here because that's the best option. Well, I just lost all my sacks. Unless... Yep. Nope, lost all my sacks.
Your killing spree.
Level 20, Tooth and Claw. Worgen based attacks cleave in an AoE in front of you. It's a pretty big AoE. For 100% damage. Which is all of your auto attack damage. So they're gonna be very effective because you can hit 4 or 5 people in a team fight with them if they're clumped. Which happens quite often. People clump quite often. I don't know why. Kerrigan getting the kill on Murky. Why does Murky have global aggro? I don't understand. I just don't understand. So getting a bruiser camp is actually what they should be doing right now. That's a good idea. Yeah, get that bruiser camp ulti. How long has that ulti been up? That Tarask level talent makes it last for forever. We need to defend bot lane because I don't want to lose a keep. Oh no, the ulti died. See, look at this minion wave. Boom! Look at all those numbers.
Activate the shrines. Take the Dragon Knight's power.
Hush! Quiet. Quiet, dog. My dog likes to... Stop! No! Bad dog. No! Hush! My dog likes to bark at nothing and it gets increasingly annoying the longer she does it. What are you even barking at? There isn't anything. Alright, we got the Dragon Knight because I killed Murky. Wow, that's annoying. You're dying. Well, Gul'dan dying for the 6th time this game. Jesus. And Kerrigan with 8 deaths. What is this game? Everyone has died so many times. Hey, you dead, bruh. That's an extra stack for me.
This is my kill. I fight for my countrymen.
running wild.
Rather entertaining.
Oh, this Zoeden's an idiot. He just decided to jump into 4 of us. Oh my god, guys, why didn't you help me? Well, you jumped into 4 of them, completely alone. That's why I done died. Alright, I say we push mid and end. Oh. Whoops, wrong chat.
Power gathers within the shrines. Unleash the dragon's wrath.
Dude, I had my inner beast up. Murky's just annoying.
Nowhere to hide.
The dragon awaits
They decided to
below.
just go do a breacher
And
camp?
destroy your enemy.
Why? We really should have pushed bot and end.
The beast hungers. Assist me.
Goldan dying for the 7th time this game. I don't understand what's happening here. Everyone's making really weird mistakes.
For honor and glory.
Enemy slain.
Why would you use your combo on Murky?
Next.
Killing spree.
Ah, that's 4 of them. Thanks to Medivh's polybomb, I got out.
Future belongs to those who take it. Time to stretch my leg.
Your killing spree has
Oh, if I had gotten that Q off. Those Nexus forces did a lot of damage. I kind of stood in the minion wave and that's what killed me. I think they're gonna win the game with this. Which is a little disappointing. Because I wanted to win the game with this.
It seems you have lost a keep.
Yep, we lost a keep. Yep, 2 of us are dead. Yep, 2 of us are dead. 3. Yep, 3 of us are dead. Oh, and this Golden's probably gonna die. Yeah, he's dead.
This is a hunt.
Me saving that Golden. He would have died if I hadn't jumped on that greymane. Like, really died. I hate it when Murky's inside the Dragon Knight.
The enemy is attacking your core.
Enjoy this.
I hate it when Murky Octo grabs me. Yeah, that should be disabled by stealth. Yeah, they got 2 keeps. Because 3 of us died to the Dragon Knight and to full 7 stuff.
Your core is under attack.
No. This guy's calling us stupid in Spanish. He's calling us idiots in Spanish. I really don't think they should. I think they should get a Central American server. Because the server for like all of
Your
America
core is under attack.
is not working. Because you'll get games where one person doesn't speak English. and that shouldn't be happening. Yeah, I think we lost. I don't think we'll be able to kill the siege camp fast enough.
People again. My curse will be there.
Soon the shrine shall awaken.
Yeah, they went for merc camps instead of killing the game, ending the game. This is my problem with QM, is that you get
Well done.
the MMR of the old system with this new system using that MMR doesn't work well, because you get all sorts of people who just straight up shouldn't be at the level they're at. Just aren't good enough at that game to be at that level, and it gets annoying.
Your foe has destroyed a keep. The enemy is attacking your core.
The enemy is actually not attacking.
Rather
Whoa.
entertaining.
1,078, that's a lot.
The enemy is attacking your core.
No, they're not gonna get through the shield.
You will be to blame. My curse will be there.
However, it looks like they are gonna get the Dragon Knight. Unless we can pull off some crazy plays, because Carrot and Thrall both died.
I will not accept defeat.
Whoa.
Unleash
Whoa.
your power.
He got that down. I did not expect him to kill me that fast, so I didn't. Gul'dan. Everyone but Medivh's dead. And he just took them to Juke City. There's a reason why I'm the mayor. Nope, never mind. He's fine.
Your core is under attack.
We lost. GG. Well, that was a bit of a questionable game.
None are spared the flame.
Okay. So. Wait for it to load. Talents. Level 1, Viciousness. Makes your inner beast stay up longer and makes it easier to refresh. Level 4, Eyes in the Dark. Makes your disengage so much better of a disengage. Level 7, Wizened Duelist. If you cannot die, your damage will skyrocket. Level 10, Go for the Throat. It's just better than Mark for the Kill. Level 13, On the Prowl, makes it so that you can chase down targets easier. Level 16, Eager Wolf, skyrockets your damage. Level 20, Tooth and Claw, you can hit multiple people with your auto attacks. Alright, that was a Greymane guide. Have a